I've covered dozens of robotic vacuum cleaners here on the channel, and Narwhal has always stood out as being one of the smartest with features like Twin AI Dodge and Dirt Sense 2.0 technology. They just always get a really thorough clean. In this video, I'll be partnering with Narwhal to take a look at their flagship Narwal Flow. This uses the revolutionary Flow Wash mopping system to provide an unmatched clean. Let's go ahead and get started. Most robotic vacuum cleaners in the industry use a dual plate mopping system. The only issue with this is they're required to return to the base station every 15 to 20 minutes to clean the mop pads, and the rest of the time they're kind of cleaning with dirty mops. So the way that Narwhal has addressed this in the past is with their Dirt Sense technology. Every time it returns to the base, it senses the dirtiness level of the mop pads and then continues to clean that area until the mop pads come back to the base station clean. The Flow Wash mopping system is able to provide an even more thorough clean and is able to do it much more efficiently because it's cleaning itself as it cleans your floors. This has 16 nozzles that spray warm water evenly across the track mop, breaking down and removing stains. It then uses a built-in scraper to automatically scrape and squeegee out all the dirt and debris from the mop. It then collects that automatically into a dirty water tank, which has a built-in stirrer to prevent buildup and odors. The track pad uses 12 N of downward pressure plus warm water to break up spills and stains on your floor as it cleans. With the Flow Wash mopping system, this no longer relies on returning to the base station to clean the mop pad because it's actively cleaning the mop pad as it cleans your floors for a more efficient and more thorough deep cleaning. As you can see here, this had no issues cleaning up a large mess of red chamoy sauce from the floor in the first pass. Another great benefit of the track mop system is its extra wide cleaning surface. That extra surface allows for more scrubbing time on stubborn stains, allowing this to get a deeper clean overall compared to other roller mop systems on the market. I also really like how the track mop is able to extend into corners and is able to clean along the edges of your wall and furniture all the way up to 0.19 inches. So it's able to get super close to objects like table legs and chair legs. The side brush is also able to reach out into corners by reversing and aligning the brushes, extending its reach all the way into your corners. Another thing that really stood out here was just how good of a job this does on carpet. So it does have 22,000 Pascal of suction power, but it does something that I've not seen on any other robotic vacuum cleaner. When it detects carpet, it actually lowers the center brush module to create a high pressure zone. It's kind of like if you had a handheld vacuum and you push down to create more suction power. That's what this vacuum is able to do. And I tested this out with salt. So I actually poured salt on the carpet and then let it run through one pass. And as you can see here, there was no salt left behind, which is something that most vacuum cleaners on the market are unable to do. This is also able to deliver 100% particle removal on hard floors. So not only is it great for your carpets, but also your tile and your wood floors. This also automatically raises the mop when it detects carpets so as not to cross-contaminate. And with the Carpet Max mode, this will boost the suction power when it detects carpet and then clean the carpet twice in a zigzag pattern to ensure that everything is picked up. This effectively gives the Narwhal Flow a 2 times better cleaning rate than other robotic vacuums on the market. With the Twin AI Dodge obstacle avoidance system, this has human-like obstacle avoidance capabilities. This uses 2 136-degree cameras to see exactly what's in front of it. The dual RGB cameras with the AI chip are able to identify and recognize more than 200 objects to avoid them with precision. And you can see here, not only is it able to detect and avoid objects, but it gets super close when cleaning around them. Other vacuum cleaners on the market leave a substantial gap. This cleans more thoroughly. When this is finished cleaning, it returns to the all-in-one multifunctional dock station where it auto empties the dustbin, giving you 120 days days of dust storage. It then thoroughly washes and sanitizes the mop with AI adaptive hot water mop washing. Once the mop is fully washed, this uses 104-degree hot air to thoroughly dry it, so you don't have to worry about the accumulation of bacteria and mold or off-putting odor. One thing that really stands out is the 160-degree whole system cleaning. So not only does this wash the mop pads, but also the tubes and hoses inside the machine, so that you don't have to worry about bad odors coming from the dock station. The Narwhal Flow uses a few different technologies to tackle hair. So they have a main brush that floats on one side, so only one side's connected. When hair is wrapped around the main brush, it automatically flows to the edge that is not connected, where it is then dislodged and immediately sucked into the dust bin. The side brush is able to untangle itself by going from a V shape to a double L shape. It then directs hair to the main brush, which detangles it and sends it to the dust bin. Overall, if you're looking for a deep, thorough clean for your hard surfaces, then the Narwhal Flow definitely delivers with the new Flow Wash mop system. Also, just really love how this is able to tackle even super small particles on my carpets with that boosted carpet cleaning, and the all-in-one base station allows me to not have to worry about maintaining the device. I'll be sure to include links in the description so you can find out more information about the Narwhal Flow and purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.